Alright, what's up guys? Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, leave a comment. If you do want some good performance parts for your car, in the description below you can click my link for M8 Performance. You'll get a discount off your next purchase. Again, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you guys. Alright, what's good guys? Today we're going to be installing it's the third brake light flasher module. So it'll go on the light right here. Super simple. You'll need I'm going to use some double-sided tape and some electrical tape, but you also need a 10mm socket and a trim tool. So let me get started for you guys. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to have your trunk open. You're going to want to take the two little push pins out that are here. Then you're going to want to use your pry tool to remove the actual handle that goes. So it's like this. You're going to want to remove that handle. And then inside of there's 4 10mm bolts you're going to want to remove. Let me do that now. Alright, so now that you've removed all the bolts and little push pins, you're going to want to start peeling the actual trim away. And it's going to be in 4 different sections. So you have the first section being the top of the rear window, and then you have these 2 side sections that are separate from this section and the part that has the handles and the latch. So I'm going to do a little quick time lapse and then we'll go from there. So let me show you the actual inside of this module. So there's actually 4 different switches, and every combination of the switches actually gives you a different level of the blink that you're going to get. So I don't think I explained, but what this module does is it makes your third brake light flash in whichever pattern you like. I'll put the link in the description for the actual video. Basically the selection I picked, it's going to flash, I think it's 4 or 5 times, and then it's going to breathe. It's just going to have like a breathing effect. But once you have the patch down, you're going to have this right here, and it's literally connects in line. It's super simple. And then I'm going to use double-sided tape to actually secure this to the vehicle. Okay, so now that your switch is on, I just tested mine. So I was going to go with it was supposed to flash 5 times and then give like a pulsating effect. I think it probably would work better with an LED light bulb, so I probably want to change that light bulb out from the stock light bulb if I want that pulsating effect. So for right now, I'm just going to go with the flashing 5 times. Just make sure you verify that the switch actually works before you seal everything up. To actually check to make sure it works, you're going to want to close your trunk. Make sure you leave the module down. This way you can actually go ahead and verify that. I'm going to double side tape mine to the back right here. This way I can access it easier, because once I change that light bulb, I'm gonna want to get in there. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse again while I actually put this back together. So super quick install, probably took about 25 minutes. You're gonna have these 2 bumpers right here. There's these 2 bumpers that just make it so when you close your trunk, it's quiet. You might have to take those off, you might not. I had to take mine off. If you saw, like in the time lapse, I was struggling a little bit, but for the most part, it's fairly simple. Here's a socket I was missing. It's fairly simple. Take you 20-25 minutes. Also, they were like $40 online, so that wasn't bad. I'll drop the link to the guy's video down below. He's got like a Google Docs form that you fill out, and then it sends you an invoice on PayPal, and you're able to purchase them. Yeah, guys, appreciate you guys for watching the video. Catch you in the next one.